Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. If you are not following me on TikTok, go follow my page. I'm going to start putting mini videos there and also doing some more shorts on actual YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. I have all social media with How to DIY and Save a Dime. So please check me out. Please share. You guys are not going to want to miss what is happening, what I'm going to be doing on this channel. So please, please, please support the channel. And if you are new to the channel and you enjoy what you are watching, make sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, you guys already know if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, but join the family because I am going to be sharing some great things with you guys. And with that being said, I will see you guys later, Gators.